Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. And for that you need a SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip. And with that you need to find your SIM card slot, and on this phone it's down here. So you want to insert that. And then take out the tray, and then we see we have space for one SIM card. We do not have space for another SIM card or a nano memory card. So we take our SIM card and put that in the tray here, and then we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. Now we need to unlock our SIM card, and then we're back in the phone. So we will be able to make phone calls now and send SMS. So you see we have Signal, and when we go to our settings and then go to network and internet, we have our provider here. So we can now make phone calls, send SMS, or well, whatever else. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.